all-in-one series, Social Science, Standard 8th Part, Political Science, Chapter 8, Citizen and Citizenship, Important Points and Concepts, Exercises, Question and Answers, Multiple Choice Question Answer, Test. Meaning of citizenship. Ancient Greece, citizenship had a narrow meaning. Those participating in administration were considered, excluding women, slaves, workers. Modern citizenship now refers to full membership in a state with civil, political, and economic rights. Definition by Watton. A citizen is a member of a civil society bound by duties and enjoys the advantage of state. Difference between subject and citizen. Before 1947, Indians were subjects of the British. After independence, they became citizens. Citizens have a rights and owe allegiance to the state, while subjects had to favor fewer rights under the foreign rule. Rights of the citizen: security and protection by the state, enjoyment of the law and order, access to the welfare schemes, education, health, employment, civil and political rights. Example, voting, contesting elections. Eligibility for high office, president, Supreme Court judge. Eligible for public services. Difference between citizen and alien. Permanent resident of the state, temporary resident foreigner called alien, and citizen. Enjoys political rights, no political rights. Owes allegiance to state, follows laws but not allegiance. Cannot be expelled, can be asked to leave. Methods of acquiring citizenship: natural citizenship by birth in state, naturalized citizenship by fulfilling legal conditions, domicile residence, marriage, foreign services, application, property in some countries. Lose of citizenship in India: renunciation, voluntary; termination on acquiring citizen of another country, deprivation due to fraud, anti-national activities, or disloyalty. Types of citizenship: single citizenship, national citizenship. Example, in India. Dual citizenship, both state and national citizenship. Example, USA. Citizen and the government, close and mutual relationship. Government ensure protection, law and order, welfare schemes. Citizens must obey laws, respect the constitution, and contribute to development. Duties of the citizens: respect the constitution and obey the laws, protect the national honor, avoid anti-national activities, oppose social evils, corruption, dowry, child marriage, participate in political process, pay taxes, defend the nation, serve the sacrifices for the nation's welfare. Fundamental is incorporated through 42nd Amendment 1976 under the Article 51A. Purpose: to create awareness of social, moral and national responsibility, promote a balance between rights and for national progress. Exercises. First, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First, the people living in India under the British rule were termed as subjects. Second, a temporary residing foreigner in our country is called alien. Citizenship Act was passed in the year of 1955. The method through which you have acquired citizenship is by birth, if you were born in India after 26th January 1950. What is citizenship? Citizenship is a legal status of being a member of the state. A citizen enjoys civil, political, and economic rights and also have duties towards the state. In ancient times, citizenship was a limited few, but in modern times, it includes all individuals who owes allegiance to the state and are protected by it. It creates a mutual relationship between the citizen and the government based on rights and participation. Develop. Question number 6. What are the benefits enjoyed by a citizen? Citizen enjoys following benefits: security and protection from the state, peaceful life ensured by the law and order, welfare benefits such as education, health, insurance, employment and settlement facilities. Civil and political rights include the right vote and contest elections, fundamental rights and guaranteed by the Constitution, eligibility to hold high offices like President, Vice President and Judge and Supreme Court and High Court judges, eligibility for the public services, and governments. Question number 7. Name the body which has authority to legislate the laws on citizenship in India. Answer. The Parliament of the India is the body that has the authority to legislate laws on citizenship. 8th. Mention the methods of acquiring citizenship. Answer. Natural citizenship acquired by the birth in country. Naturalized citizenship acquired by the fulfilling certain conditions like residence, marriage, service, application, and or property purchase. In India, citizenship can be acquired through citizenship by birth, citizenship by descent, citizenship by registration, citizenship by naturalization, and citizenship by incorporation of a new territory. Ninth question. Explain the citizenship by naturalization. Our answer. Citizenship by naturalization is a method by which a foreigner can acquire citizenship of the country by fulfilling certain conditions. These conditions may include long residence, few years in India, good moral character, and application to the concerned authority. In India, a foreigner can apply to the President of India for the citizenship through naturalization after meeting the acquired criteria as a prescribed in the Citizenship Act 1955. 10th, what are the methods of losing citizenship? Answer. Renunciation. When a citizen voluntarily give up their citizenship by applying to the concerned authority. Second, termination. When a citizen automatically loses Indian citizenship upon acquiring a citizenship of another country. Deprivation. When the government forcibly cancels citizenship due to the fraud, anti-nationalities, or disloyalty to the Constitution. 11. Mention a situation under which citizenship is terminated. Answer. Citizenship is terminated when an Indian citizen the citizenship of another country. This happens automatically by law without the need for an application. 12th. Mention the types of citizenship and write the difference between. Answer. Single citizenship, dual citizenship. First, differences between single and dual citizenship. Features. Single citizenship definition. A person has only national citizenship. A person has both national and state citizenship. Example, India. Example, USA. State citizenship, no separate citizenship for each state. Citizenship scope applies to the entire country, applies to both the country and dual states. In India, the people have single citizenship, Indian citizenship, regardless of the state they live in. Countries like the USA, citizens have both national and state citizenship. 13. What are the duties of the citizen? Words is mission. Our answer. Respect the constitution and obeying laws of the government. Protecting the national honor, dignity through words and actions. Avoiding anti-national activity, opposing social evils like corruption, nepotism, dowry, and child marriage through legal means. Participating in a political ensure good governance. Placing national trust above personal trust and working for the national progress. Being a service minded and ready to fight for the nation. Paying taxes and defending the nation when required. Following fundamental duty as men Article A of the Constitution. Now take some additional and MC test. you.